The story about the eagle and chicken. Once upon a time, an eagle's nest was on a big mountain with four giant eggs. Then one day, there was a massive earthquake. As the earth shook, one of the four eggs rolled down the valley into a chicken farm. The chickens knew they had to keep the eagle egg safe. The chickens raised the eagle to be a chicken because they were chickens. The eagle loved his home and his family, but his soul wanted more. The eagle looked up and saw a group of powerful eagles flying together. Oh, I wish I could fly like those birds. You can't fly like those, the chickens laughed out loud. You are a chicken, and chickens don't fly. The eagle kept looking up at his real family and wishing he could be just like them. Every time the eagle told someone about his dreams, they told him it couldn't happen. The eagle came to think that was true. After a while, the eagle stopped having dreams and kept living as a chicken. The eagle finally died after living a long time as a chicken. The moral of the story is when you live among chickens, it's hard to soar like an eagle. Your thoughts and behaviors are greatly influenced by the people you met with. Select friends wisely. Do subscribe my channel and share it for your support and for the more exciting stories to come. Thank you.